Welcome to the PATON channel. Today, we're going to take a look at PATON's Professional Series digital welding inverters. This lineup includes 7 models of professional and industrial machines with rated current from 160 to 630 amps, designed to operate in MMA, TIG, and MIG/MAG modes. The Pro 160, 200, and 250 models are powered by a standard single-phase 220 to 230 volt network, while the 270, 350, 500, and 630 amp models run on a powerful 3-phase 380 to 400 volt network. This series fully meets the needs of professional users and is designed for intensive use in production and installation environments. The key advantages of the series are operation at reduced network voltage thanks to the built-in voltage fluctuation protection unit. It ensures stable and uninterrupted operation of the equipment even when the power supply parameters are unstable. Single-phase Pro Series machines with a rated welding current from 160 to 250 amps inclusive operate reliably within a supply voltage range from 160 to 260 volts. 3-phase machines with a rated welding current from 270 to 630 amps are designed to operate within a voltage range from 340 to 460 volts. An increased duty cycle of up to 70% is ideal for intensive welding work in industrial settings. More than 30 parameters and additional functions allow you to precisely adjust the welding process for the material, thickness, and working conditions. Protection class. Pro Series machines with a rated welding current from 160 to 350 amps inclusive have an enhanced protection class of IP33. Meanwhile, the powerful industrial models ranging from 500 to 630 amps are equipped with a protection class of IP23. The main feature of the Pro Series inverters is their versatility. PATON Pro Series welding inverters can serve as a source of welding current for semi-automatic welding, since they have the necessary volt-ampere characteristics and a set of parameters when the appropriate mode is selected. To achieve full operational capacity in this mode, these components must be utilized together with an external wire feeder unit. PATON feeder independent wire feeder units already have all the necessary connectors for quick and convenient connection. Also, when using a valve torch, the machines can operate in TIG DC mode for high-quality welding of ferrous and non-ferrous metals and their alloys, except for aluminum. Pro Series machines come equipped with high-quality accessories. These include Ukrainian-made copper cables with an electrode holder and a ground clamp from Abbott-Corbinzel, a branded shock-resistant PATON case for models from 160 up to and including 250 amps, a shoulder carrying strap, and an operating manual. PATON Pro Series machines are equipped with an LCD screen and encoder type controls, which provide quick and convenient mode adjustments. The Mode button allows you to select the desired welding mode. The Program button lets you choose one of 16 user pre-configured programs, each with individual parameters for every welding mode. By default, the user only has access to adjusting the welding current in MMA and TIG modes, and if an external wire feeder is connected for MIG/MAG mode, the welding voltage is set on the power source, while the wire feed speed is adjusted on the wire feeder. To unlock the advanced settings, you need to press and hold the encoder for about 3.5 seconds. A lock symbol appears on the screen. After that, access to additional parameters becomes available. Next, let's take a closer look at all the available functions using the example of the main welding mode for these machines, MMA welding. Welding current adjustment. We use the encoder to set the welding current. The hot start strength is adjustable from 0 to 100%, briefly increasing the current during arc ignition for an easier start and to prevent the electrode from sticking. The hot start time is adjustable from 0.1 to 1 second, determining how long the increased current is applied at the beginning of welding. The arc force is adjustable from 0 to 100%, increasing arc stability and preventing the electrode from sticking during welding. The arc force activation threshold ranges from 9 to 18 volts and determines the voltage at which the arc force function is triggered. Adjustment of the volt-ampere characteristic, a coefficient from 0.2 to 1.8, allows you to change the arc behavior from soft to more rigid depending on the task and the electrodes you will be using. The short arc mode, from 0 to 3, reduces metal spatter, and improves control of the weld pool when using a short arc. VRD, or the voltage reduction device, lowers the open circuit voltage to a safe 12 volts, which increases safety for the welder and others nearby when needed. For example, in damp environments, metal structures, metal tanks, and so on. The pulsed welding mode improves heat input control, reduces distortion, and makes it easier to weld thin materials. When this mode is activated, the following parameters are available for adjustment: base current, pause current, pulse frequency, and pulse-pause balance. So PATON Pro Series welding inverters are a combination of power, flexible digital settings, and high reliability. They are equally effective for daily professional work as well as in challenging industrial environments where high productivity, process stability, parameter control, and welder safety are crucial. If you are looking for a reliable professional welding machine, PATON Pro Series inverters will be the right choice for you. Friends, thank you for being with us. Please subscribe to the official PATON channel right now. Give us a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed watching this video, and feel free to leave any of your questions down in the comment section below. We look forward to seeing you again in our very next product reviews.